Another huge reason why we see people automating is due to safety. There's some companies that they just have very, very hard tasks. They're dealing with a very hot material, very sharp material, a heavy payload, and all these different risk factors are playing into their employees getting injuries. And some of these injuries are as significant as death, right? And so whenever you have an injury where the significance is death, it makes complete sense to automate that process, right? Like why would you take the risk in not automating that process? Or there's like things within the glass industry, like lacerations. Like if a piece of like automotive glass like skims across your arm before it's tempered and whatnot, then it's gonna just slice your arm right open, and you're gonna, just blood's gonna be gushing out everywhere, right? I'm getting a little bit gruesome and whatnot here, but it's a very important thing to keep in mind. Like if there's some type of task like where somebody's like risking their life every single day, even if it like there's a lot of jobs where people go a long period of time and don't ever get injured, even though it's a very deadly job, right? Whenever it comes to like risk assessments, which is something I spent quite a bit of my career doing, you're analyzing things like how dangerous is this risk, how likely is this risk to occur, and through that, maybe it's something that's the occurrence rate is very low, but the probability of severe injury is very, very high. So just because you haven't had an injury in the past 5 years don't mean like tomorrow it doesn't result in somebody's life or some major injury. And then you have some more things, some of the risk and dangers that are more of your prolonged safety factors, like ergonomical issues. And some of these ergonomical issues are very, very real, right? There's the side of manufacturing automation that says, oh, this is ergonomically not good, this person has to bend over and stand back up 100 times a day. Okay, yes, that's an ergonomic issue too, and don't take what I'm going to say in any other way, but that's different than you picking up a 45-pound object 100 times a day and having to put it inside of a box or stack it on a pallet or something like that, right? So whenever you're doing something where you're really putting a strain on your body every single day, some of those things are, you're getting occurrences maybe on a monthly basis where, the operator is just injuring themselves with like stacking boxes, or this one's heavier than they thought it was going to be, and they picked it up like they thought it was gonna be like a 1-pound box, and it was a 30-pound box, and then they threw their back out. So there's also those type of scenarios where people are automating for those particular reasons.